Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, Samsung is preparing to launch most inexpensive foldable smartphone. According to some sources and some rumors, Samsung is preparing to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Lite. And this Z Fold Lite going to be the most inexpensive foldable smartphone. In the year 2021, Samsung is preparing to launch four foldable mobile phones. I already told a number of videos that Samsung is also preparing to launch affordable foldable smartphones, but it is a big question that which features they want to include and which features they want to exclude. But now first detail has been unveiled, and let's see what going to be happen. So it is expected that in the first quarter of next year 2021, Samsung will launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Lite. And according to some sources, they are claiming that Samsung will launch the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Lite with Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Samsung is going to launch, it is expected on 14th of Jan 2021 for Samsung Galaxy S21 series. As for the details, so far going to be around 7-inch display and a 4-inch diagonal external glass. At the moment there are no much details, but if this smartphone is not going to launch with the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, then but it is expected that they will launch in the first quarter of 2021. So I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.